Pendiam ini ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lakasmi.
Balwant Soni, the person who is associated with the coal mining, he was arrested. So how do you see it? Because they are naming your name, CM's name.
The thing is that it's one thing to throw accusations that and it's completely something else to substantiate that with evidence. So accusations fly left and right. We all know that, and there's nothing that I've not seen the video, but whatever it is, I'm very sure it is something that we have no involvement. These are just mere accusations.
Coming, the timing is coming. Is it political angle? Election is coming. Do you see that?
As we inch closer to the elections, we can expect increase this accusations and